I like to travel and take photos. In 2020 I will go to Tokyo, Japan, but so far I haven't decided what type of camera to bring. In this week's video I will tell you a little bit about my ideas so far. When you do travel, you would like to save your memories for later, share them, look at them later on. What type of camera should you bring? The best way is of course to use a camera that you already own. And in my case that's not that easy, since I do own more than 10 cameras. I would like to do both video and photo. I would like them to be good both in low light conditions and normal outdoor conditions. And I have looked at 4 of my types of cameras. I decided to put all these 4 type of cameras to one test. And that was to film myself indoors in normal lighting conditions with just one ceiling light. And let's have a look at that clip right now. Okay, here we go. Trying out 4 different cameras. So first is Canon 5D Mark IV, then it's the Panasonic Lumix Fx300, then the GoPro Hero5 Black, and the Moto G5 camera. And it's a fairly good day today. Good lighting conditions, one ceiling light and then indoors. So let's sync all this. There we go. So this is the Moto G5. How does this look for vlogging? And the GoPro Hero5 Black. This is the other one. So this is me on the Panasonic FZ300, and the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV is over here. 5D Mark IV. Back to the FZ300. There we go. And the GoPro Hero5 Black. And lastly, the Moto G5, where is the, there we go. And this is the front-facing camera, the back-facing one. If I'm standing a little bit over here. So the Moto G5, the GoPro Hero5 Black, the FZ300, and the Canon 5D Mark IV. And without glasses, looks like this. That one. Moto, GoPro, Panasonic, Canon. So that was the clip. What did you like about it? We could see that the 5D Mark IV and the Panasonic Lumix FZ300 was fairly similar. The colors from the GoPro Hero5 Black was a little bit off. I don't really know why. And the Moto G5 using the front camera wasn't really that bad either. But so far it still looks like I'm going to use the 5D Mark IV, even though it's this big and heavy. To see more videos about travel and photography, you should comment, like and subscribe. And I'll see you soon again. Bye bye.